And as we get into the end of next weekend, we could see a pretty big snowstorm for potentially Minneapolis, Milwaukee, portions of the Dakotas. I spoke about this last video. The Euro doesn't completely agree with this. The Euro does see the storm system, but keeps it a little bit farther to the north. And the American model likes to bring the system north and south with each new run. So this is still 180 plus hours out. We're watching it closely though, because it's continuing to show up on the models. And now I'm gonna move a little bit quicker, because after this, obviously the confidence goes down a little bit. We're talking about 200 plus hours, but this system would potentially, as we get into November 9th, November 10th, move off into the northeast, bringing some snow for New England and a lot of rainfall for the mid-Atlantic. While another system is moving into the northwest, and potentially as we get into the 10th and 11th, wants to bring a major snowstorm into the northern plains and upper Midwest. This would be feet of snow, although as I said, now we're getting late into the model. We'll compare the European to this in just a second, but here we go as we get into the middle to end of the second week of November. Sinking air here. We could have feels like temperatures down into the 30s in northern Texas if this were to happen. And again, big snow for a lot of major cities out here if we were to see this play out like this. And notice what's happening out ahead of this cold air, another frontal boundary, potentially more severe weather. We haven't seen this active of a pattern in a while. This would be a lot to talk about. And then getting farther towards the end of the run, all of this cold air sinking into the southeast. And this latest run would potentially put some good snow into the Appalachian mountain range and try to put some flakes out there into the low elevation mid-Atlantic.